Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, great ZTE Blade A32. It's a legendary device, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean USB charging port on this device using household items. So firstly, remember the one rule: never clean up your internal port, your USB charging port, using metal objects. So I suggest use only plastic objects to clean it, because using metal object you can damage your USB port. You have here micro USB, and there are many micro items, micro contacts here you can damage using metal objects. So I suggest use soft and plastic object. So you just need to insert one part of the brush into the connector and clean up your USB port. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.